adlaw sa inyong tanan. So, I am Rafi C. Alayon, the Publicity Manager of the Kabankanan Sinulog Foundation Incorporated. And this afternoon, I welcome you all to this press conference together with our key individuals or the heads of the different committees of our 49th Sinulog sa Kabankanan Festival. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our media partners who are here this afternoon covering and giving us updates of all the activities in our foundation. This afternoon, we are so glad and fortunate enough that we are joined by the different key individuals and heads of the committees of our 49th Sinulog sa Kabankanan Festival happening on January 10 to 19, 2025. This afternoon, they will be giving us updates, concerns, and information about the activities that they will be spearheading. And to begin, let us have first the Vice Chairman of the Religious Events and at the same time the Auditor of the Kabankanan Sinulog Foundation Incorporated. We have Ms. Bernadette L. Ayala. Let us give her a round of applause, please.
Good afternoon to our media men, and good afternoon to the people of Kabankanan and of course to the whole members of Kabankanan. So I am Bernadette Ayala, the auditor of the Kabankanan Sinulog Foundation, and at the same time the vice chairman of the religious events. So what I'm going to tell you this afternoon is all about the religious activities we're going to have for our Sinulog Festival. Okay, at first, our theme for this year's Sinulog is Mapamamuyon, Malaumon, Senyor Santo Niño, ibugay sa syudad namon. So, katahong sang aton sa mga tema sining natin. And this was prepared by the Committee on the Religious Events, chaired by Father Jose Severino, National, the third of our parish priest, and at the same time the chairman of the religious events. Okay, with this, we will start with the opening salvo this coming Friday. Ining Biyernes na adlaw, no? Alas 5 sa hapon, magatipon kita sa aton Plaza Publica or City Plaza at 5 in the afternoon for the concelebrated Mass. So tapos may ara kita nga prosesyon sa imahen sa Senyor Santo Niño. Today, so our main presider will be our bishop, the bishop of the Diocese of Kabankanan, Bishop Most Reverend Louis P. Galvinez, the bishop of the Diocese of Kabankanan. And after this, we will be moving around the city streets, to bring along with us the image of Senyor Santo Niño. And we are inviting all devotees of Senyor Santo Niño to join us in this big celebration. Pagpasalamat, sa aton syudad, pahilayo kita sa mga natural and man-made calamities. Amo lang kita yung ato ginapahayo. And with this, after the sad, we will be going back to the plaza for a short program, and with our city mayor, Benji Miranda, to declare the opening of the Sinulog Festival. And after which, the first day, the opening salvo, we have the first Novena Mass, and this will be followed by the 8 Novena Masses until Saturday. We will have the Translation. So the Translation, we will be transferring the image from the cathedral. That's the last day of the Novena, the 9th day Novena. We will be transferring it to Barangay Talubangin. So the Sacred Heart Chapel in Hacienda Palma, Barangay Talubangin. It's already part of Ilog, the municipality of Ilog. So for the whole night, people there. No, there will be there will be a vigil for the whole night, and then 4 o'clock in the morning, there will be a fluvial procession. So that's crossing the Ilog Kilabangan River. So we have I think 13 participants, no, for the fluvial procession. And we will be having also 35 small boats, no, for that event. And after which, now there will be a solemn procession from Lugway, no, crosses sa Ilog-Labangan River, and we'll end up there in Lugway, in Barangay 8. Then there will be, as I said, no, a solemn procession going to the public plaza, where the Thanksgiving Mass will be held on January 19. That's the highlight at 8 o'clock in the morning. So I think everybody is already informed, no, of the religious events, and I do hope you will be around, no, in the plaza of the last day and so. So it is Viva Señor Santo Niño.